him from the side profile. Start it. Look at his nose. God, he's so cute. Such a chump.
It's like a little rag doll.
I know.
Well, you're definitely a boy.
They're all definitely boys. I'm like, is there one mistake? No.
Oh, Sierra doesn't like that.
He's like,